What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over VeCHAIN, guys. VET currently up almost 8% on the day. We're well on our way to our targets here. We're sitting at 0.1435. We are sitting at a market cap of 9.12 billion, 24-hour volume 535 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into VeCHAIN, guys. So you can see we're heading up to the golden ratio. Now we may be running into a little bit of resistance here. I'm going to drop in a line right at our current level, previous swing high, previous level of resistance. If we scroll back, so we had some resistance here as well. We're having a little bit of a bearish divergence here on the 4 hour, something to keep an eye on. But what can happen is the RSI comes up and it breaks this trend line of resistance and we invalidate the bearish divergence, which you'll see time and time again on a bull run is bearish divergences will be invalidated, especially on the smaller time frames, 1 hour, 4 hour. You can see here we had a bearish divergence. We were creating higher highs, we were creating lower highs, and we saw a little bit of a correction here. So it's just something to keep an eye on. But yeah, as you can see here, we get overextended, we come back to the EMAs. We get overextended, we come back to the EMAs. So our next levels of resistance are the golden ratio, and then you have your target all the way up at 16 cents. I'm going to jump over to the daily time frame. You know what happens if we get back above the golden ratio, especially if we get back above this neckline of a massive cup and handle or inverse head and shoulders pattern. It gives you a strong likelihood that you're going to come up to where you started. Firstly, we have our target at 0.246. We have the previous all-time high at 27 cents for VET. We have the 1.72 at 43 cents, and our future price targets the 1.618, 78 cents. 151, which is at the 2. That's the price target I'm going to leave in for now. That's the price target I do think VET will get to on this bull run. I've dropped in the 2.272. Now we might not get all the way up to 236, but I think there's a high likelihood that we're going to get to about $1.50 for VeCHAIN. All right, guys. So do keep an eye on 14 cents. The golden ratio definitely could act as a level of resistance. Really strong sign of continuation if we get back above it here. We've had the bullish cross. We're looking healthy for continuation. If we look at the weekly chart for VET, we're back above the 20 EMA. As you can see here, we fell below it. We bounced off to 55, and we're now back above the 20 EMA, which is extremely bullish for VeCHAIN. All right, guys, that's basically it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members, posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, posting profits. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as the trader. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon as an investor as well. And you can check out crypto.com, smash that like button, follow me on Instagram if you'd like to keep up with my travels, as well as I post crypto related content in my story. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace, much love.